Yo, what's up mga Lodi? Share ko lang sa inyo yung nabili kong double stand para sa big bike. At saka nabili ko rin na slider fairing guard anti-crash. Pati na rin yung nabili kong front brake protection. Madali lang to guys, share ko sa inyo. Tara. So guys, dito ako nahirapan sa slider fairing kasi wala tayong gamit. So nag-decide ako pumunta dito sa Modern G2's Motor Shop kay Idol Boo. Napakagaling nito guys, mabait, madaling kausap. Kaya dito na ako nagpa-install. At shout din nga pala sa kanyang partner. Shout out.
I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear.
Pinakamadali guys, yung safeguard. Hindi safeguard na parang sabon ha. Ito yung safeguard para sa protection sa front brake. Itong pinakamadali guys. So ako na lang ang nag-install dito. Ay, here's the result. Bali guys, yung lever guard, ang price niya about 700 lang sa Lazada rin. And the slider fairing about 2,500 sa Lazada rin guys. Saka yung double stand about 1,300. So guys, ano masasabi nyo dito guys? Guys, ngayon ko lang napagtanto. Mas magastos pa lang mag-alaga ng motor kaysa jowa mo. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.